Hi, I'm Brian Burke, Woodies garden and DIY expert. We're all well aware of the need to find more sustainable ways of going about our business. An easy and effective way to do this in the garden is to collect rainwater to use on our plants. Setting up a system is relatively straightforward. Here's what you're going to need. So that's our rainwater collection boat up and running. And let's face it, given the nature of the Irish climate, there should be no issues keeping it filled. Job done.